Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.